Hello together! In this video I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. But before we insert the SIM card, I want to talk to you about the SIM card. And here I have a SIM card. It's a nano SIM card, and this is the smallest SIM card you can buy at this moment. It can be that you have a slightly bigger model that can be a micro SIM card or a standard SIM card, but here we need a nano SIM card. If you don't have a nano SIM card, then just call your provider and they will send you a new one. The second step is to look where we must insert the SIM card. And here at the top left, we have a SIM card tray. This is a small tray, and here we have a little hole. And in this hole, we must put something in it. And to find the right tool for it, we must look for our box. And when you open the box, then you will find this. It's a so-called SIM card ejector tool. So it's a needle, a standard needle, and automatically fits perfectly in this little hole. If you don't find your box and the needle, then you can use the good old paper clip. And here you can see I have a paper clip, and now I will use this paper clip to open the SIM card tray. So I'll just put the paper clip here in it, and then you see the SIM card tray is opening, and you see check SIM card SD card tray. I click on OK because it was intentionally. So okay, now you can see we have two different options, and the first one is to put in here a standard SIM card, and here a second SIM card, or a SIM card and a micro SD card, just like you want to have it. So when we want to put in our SIM card, we see that here is a special corner, and you have the same corner here. So it only fits in one direction, so it fits here perfectly. You can see it here. And all we have to do is to put the SIM card tray back in, and we must take care that the hole is here at the same place as the hole is here. So I'll just put it in here and just close it, and then a few seconds later my Samsung Galaxy A33 5G just tells me enter the SIM card pin. I will type in 4 times 0. I click on OK, and that was it. Now I am online, and you can see here my signal is already here, and now I can use my SIM card and go online and call my friends and whatever I want to do. So I hope this video helped you a little bit inserting the SIM card in your Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.